Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last week and how the price of gold can move in the next week. See, I've clearly explained you that whenever it's making a new high, gold makes a new high, we have seen a good fall comes. Okay, looking at these highs, what you can see that these are the high, after that there is a good fall. Okay, so chances can be high that if the price keep falling below a level of around 2619, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 2602, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall we can see towards 2562, and if that didn't sustain, a further fall towards 2533. Okay, a 2533 is a strong level, so a bounce back can come, but if that didn't sustain, a further downfall we can see. But if the price keep moving above a level of around 2619, then, or if it started sustaining over level of $2685, which is a strong resistance, there is a chances of making a new high also, and it can touch its all-time high. Okay, I have clearly explained you that dollar index is trading at a level of 105.8. I have clearly that at a level of 102 we can see it can make a further upside. It has already made a half around 108. After that there is a continuous fall. There is a clear pattern towards an upside if the price moving above a level of 106.7. Now if the price started going above a level of 106.7, probability of crossing a level of 107 we can see, and then it can touch its high also of 108, and then it can move further upside. Okay, but if the price started going again below a level of 105.5, then it can cross a level of 105.6, and then this is the zone. So a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $104.6, and then a further fall towards a level of 103.5. And if the price falling below this level, we can see it will fall further down, and chances of touching 101.9 will be there, and then a further fall. Okay, remember this, that the price started going below this particular level, we can see there will be a further downfall. Okay, so when I'm saying the dollar index started going upside, okay, then we can see the price of gold will come down. Okay, if the dollar started going down or up, okay, then we can see that suppose the dollar index started going upside, we the gold price will come down. If the dollar started going down, we can see the gold price will come up. This is what we have seen the relations like. Okay, so if the price started falling below 105, chance of touching 105.4 will be there, then to a level of 104.8, and then to a level of 103.5, and then a level of around 102. But if the price keep moving over level of 106.7, then it can touch a level of 107, and then it will cross a level of 107.5, then it can cross a level of 108, and then a further upside. Now look, going on the gold chart, what we can see, suppose, so before I move ahead and explain you, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglife@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Okay, the price, what we can see, it can touch a level of around $2656. Okay, after that the price can go towards a level of around 2660, which is already being tested, so chances of crossing this level we can see, and then it can go towards $2679. Suppose if the price moving over that particular level, because this 2679 is also being tested, so after this level 2660 we can see it will cross a level of 2679, and from there it can touch a level of $2791. Suppose if the price moving over that particular level, we can see it will touch a level of 2745. Okay, and then it will go towards a level of $2757, and then it can touch a level of around 2788, and then it can make a new high. Remember that there is a higher chances of going further upside if the price keep moving over a level of $2685. Okay, but if the price started going below a level of 2618, a further downfall we can see towards a level of around $2598, and if the price started falling below this level, chance of touching a level of 2586 will be there, and then a further downfall we can see after $596, a probability of going towards a level of around 2585, and then to a level of $2568. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, it can touch a level of 2545. After 68, we can see it can cross a level of around towards a level of 2535. Okay, these are the support and resistance I have told you. This is the support, so we can see a bounce back can come from this level, but if started falling below this level, it will cross a level 2500, and then it can touch a level of 2483. Okay, and once the price falling below that level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to subscribe. Thank you.